Within this lesson, I want to provide a quick overview of some of the resources that I'm going to be utilizing in order to rapidly develop a website from scratch. So first of all, I've got my editor open here, and I've created a blank index.html page. So if you're looking to use the same editor that I'm going to be using within the course, I'm using Brackets. There's a number of other editors out there as well. The reason I'm using Brackets is it's an Adobe product. It's free, it's open source, works across different platforms. So it's a really good utility, and if you are looking for a new web editor, this is a great one to try out. Some of the other resources that I'm going to be using within the course, I'm going to be using Chrome as my browser. And the reason that I like Chrome is because we've got access to DevTools. So on a Windows machine, it's Control-Shift-I, and DevTools gives you the ability to communicate some information from your source code into your console using JavaScript, as well as you get a whole overview of the different elements. You can see CSS and so on. So there's a lot of good information here, and I'm going to be making use of it throughout the course as well. So this course is based around building a website using HTML and a little bit of CSS, and we're going to be using Bootstrap as our main framework for building out the website. And for those of you that aren't familiar with Bootstrap, Bootstrap allows us to apply a bunch of classes into our HTML and have styling, pre-built styling within those classes, and really builds web projects in a really rapid, mobile-first, responsive way. And basically what that means is that when we link to the Bootstrap library, we get access to all those classes, and then within the classes we have options to format our HTML code. And I'm going to be showing you how to use that within this course as well. Some of the other resources that I'm going to be using throughout the course, so I'm going to be linking to a jQuery library, so I'm using a CDN. So this is just a web file, web library here. I'm going to be getting it from developers.google, and they've got a bunch of the popular libraries listed here. So I'm going to be taking this jQuery code and bring that into my project. Another resource that I'm going to be using Blind Text Generator. So this is going to give me the ability to generate some default text in order to use it as placeholder text within my website to give it a more real feel to it. As well, I'm going to be using images from Lorem Pixel, so same idea, just dummy images that I'm going to be placing within my web project to make it look and feel more real. Another one of the resources that we're using within this course is I'm going to be using Google Maps API, and I'm going to be showing you how to add a simple map location into your web page. So this could be used for visitors to your website. If you have actually a physical location, then you can use that marker, use the coordinates, place a marker on the map so that users can find out where you're located. So all of these resources we're going to be utilizing throughout the course, and we're going to be building out this amazing website from scratch. So in the next lesson, let's begin writing some code.